We're going to go through a slight upgrade to the under-over get-up. So as a quick reminder, the under-over get-up, you want an upward thumb grip. We take the lead leg, kneel down behind us, sit down over your shin, roll back, throw the mace forward and stand up. Great. A little bit of a power explosive exercise for your abdominals to help throw you back into position. However, you get to use your arms for that one. Doing the under-over get-up with the Stormbreaker position makes it a little bit more challenging. So, similar setup, however, we're going to have the arms up and down rather than side to side. From this position, keep your arms locked. We kneel down with the lead leg, roll back, let the mace head touch the floor, and then power forward and stand up. And because you have less arm throw and less mace momentum, it makes it a little bit trickier on your abdominals.